Fiat 600 First Series sliding windows from 1956 with 45,488 kilometers on the speedometer. Sold new in light green with green interior by the Fiat branch in Turin on the 12th of June 1956 to Mrs. Zanetti, registration to 207855. She was probably an employee of Fiat in Turin as highlighted in the original service booklet. Then sold on the 9th of May 1958 to Marviti of Cuneo, registered with the current plates CN050040, who sold it after 33 years on the 29th of January 1991, to Sobrero Angelo, who sold it to the previous owner in 2006 by whom it was purchased last April 2023. Bodywork and paintwork restored some time ago and still in excellent condition. The engine was completely rebuilt and the work was completed in mid-October 2023. Since that date he has traveled approximately 30 kilometers. Small and fun to drive, even rarer to find still with the original engine. Please note that mileage may vary slightly from the time of listing for demonstration and/or test drive purposes. Export and/or new registration costs. They amount to approximately €200. Accompanying Italian documents, visible in Altamura, Italy.